Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 3, which is going to be so mind-blowing. So if you've not watched episode 1 and episode 2, go ahead and watch my previous videos so you can get to know those real fast. So now we're going to be talking about how to find verified suppliers. This period, these things I'm going to review, you will import without TS, without scam. So if you've not hit the like button, hit the like button. Not subscribe, do hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so it will notify you once I post videos. All right, so we're going to this one now. I'll be sharing my own experience, how you can find these verified suppliers. So many new importers are falling victim. I also did when I started new. I also did. Yes, a lot of tears, a lot of scams. But now I've been importing for 10 years, and with my last order that just came in, everything intact. So that's why I'm going to be sharing with you my own experience on how to find these verified suppliers, how to import without tears, without scam. All right, so let's go straight to it. Now, when we talk about real suppliers, remember you can get your real suppliers anywhere. If you're importing from 1688, it's fine, you can still get real and verified suppliers on 1688 app. If you're importing from Pindodo, you can still get real and legit suppliers from Pindodo app. If you're importing from WeChat, you can still get real and verified suppliers. Then if you're getting your suppliers yourself, you can also get your contacts real and verified. All right, so that is why I'm going to be sharing my own experience. So it doesn't matter where you're getting from, you can still get real. On 88, we have fake suppliers and we have legit suppliers. The same thing applies to everywhere. Yes. So now the number one thing you should look out for when you're buying from a supplier, maybe for instance you just entered into your 1688 app and you want to buy, and you're like, I'm seeing so many things. How do I know this supplier, if this supplier will give me exactly what I'm paying for, exactly what I'm seeing? The first thing you should look out for is how many years the person has been on that platform. Since I started checking this, I've not fallen into all this scam or tears, this thing that you bring and you start crying, the quality is not like this one. The first thing you need to, I say it again, check the number of years this person has been on that platform. If you don't know how to check the number of years, then I'll be tagging my other video where I made a screen record on how you can check the number of years, so you can watch it. Because if I start making the screen record here, this video will be too long, and I don't want that. So I'll be tagging it. In case I forget, let me know in the comment section. I'll also be tagging the video there so you watch and know exactly how you can check the number of years that person has been on the platform. When you are checking the number of years, we have 1 year, we have up to 15 years, some has been there up to 15 years, 16 years, so you need to check. All right, now majority of those that sell as in goods that are not of good quality, there are 1 year, 2 years. But if you see from 3 years, I'm not saying that 1 year don't sell good quality. There's some of them are trustworthy, but not all. I shot up to 80% of those ones that are 1 year on that platform, they can do so many scam practices. They can do so many, so many fake things. So if you see 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 3 years is manageable. But if you see another supplier that has that thing you want to buy that is 5 years, 6 years, I will advise you to buy from that supplier and leave the other one of 1 year. All right, this is one trick you should know. All right, so the second way, quick way you should know if the supplier, if his supplier is verified or legit, is certification. Certification. One thing I love about State is how many years of many years you stay on that platform, or the number of the way customers are talking about you, they on their own will give you that certification. So when you're buying, make sure you scroll up and go down to see the certification that supplier has. If the supplier don't have any certification no more, this is all I said now. This is something you should also look out for. Certification is very important. Then the next one you should check the what will I say now, the icon of that supplier. The other video I made about how many years, I also mentioned how to know the icon. So that video is very important. Go and watch that video. So check the icon of that supplier. There are some that has something like a horse. There are some that has something like, so they should have a rank, as in a rank. So you check their icons. If they don't have any icon, that means these ones are newbie or they are drop shippers. All right, so very important. You should also check. Another way you should know if you prefer supplier, you should also check if the supplier is a wholesaler, a factory, owns a factory, or he or she is a drop shipper. There are so many drop shippers on stated. So if you're not careful, if you don't check, you end up buying from drop shippers. So you need to check all this. Then the next thing you should check, my dear, is customers review. I keep saying this. Customers reviews. Don't be in a hurry to buy. I remember when I started newly, I'll just rush. No, you see, this period I calm down. I'm always calm. I will go through all these things, and it has been helping me. Things will come up and they will look so fine. When I mean beautiful, they will look so fine that I'll be like, wow, all my customers receive it. Wow, they are of good quality. So as an importer, you need to check customers review. Go through the customer review. If you don't know how to read it through, translate it. Use your good translate, or like my phone has a translator. So if you have phone has translator, just translate it. Read through. When you read through, you also know what the customers are saying. And please, another thing you should note when you go ahead to read customers review, don't just read the front part. Click on view more, click on see more, so you can go down and check more customers reviews, because sometimes the nice reviews can be up while the bad reviews can be down. So you might see the front review and you say, thank God, not knowing that there is something fishing. So you need to read through. Take your time, read customers reviews before getting. Then if it's on Pinduoduo, I love Pinduoduo. Their customers review, customers love giving review on Pinduoduo. They will even give you the video, how it works, how they're using it in their homes, so it's mind-blowing. So another thing you should check after checking your customers review is the price of the product. If the price is ridiculously cheap, as in very cheap, I beg, run, or else you're buying a very large quantity and both of you negotiate. I do that a lot. If I'm buying a very big, I do buy things very big, high quality quantity. So when I'm buying, I'll just say, I'm getting this blender 30 pieces, I'm getting this 50 pieces, I'm getting this 250 pieces. You cannot sell to me what you're selling for one piece. So how much? Friend, let's negotiate. And one thing I love about Chinese people, they are business-oriented people. They will be there to they have the time. If they see that you're buying large quantity, leave it to them. They will have the time. They will discuss with you. So I'll just discuss with them, then they can beat down the price and I buy. So, and when you pay down the price and you're buying, please buy from the same app. Don't allow them give you an external account details to pay. Don't do that, because if they want to scam you, there's nothing you can do. But if you buy from the app and they didn't send, you can as well ask for your refund, or you can complain to the customer care service and they will do a lot to recover your money back or your item. So it's very important. So another thing you should look out for is the delivery. There are some suppliers that once you buy like this, in 1-2 days the goods is already in your shipping company warehouse. So these are the ways you should know if these suppliers. And one thing I love doing when I buy from you and you're authentic and it comes and I love what I'm saying, I keep buying from you. It has been helping me not to fall victim. So you should save those people. When you want to buy again, go back to your cart, go back to your, and feed them out and buy from them again. Yeah, so you don't fall victims, since you've already tested their products and you know that yes, their products are okay and very good quality. So please don't pay outside your Steam app, don't pay outside your Pinduoduo app, or else is a verified supplier. There are some suppliers I pay offline. I've been paying offline, nothing. All right, like the contacts I put up here, those ones I have used them, so you can pay. That one is, but I'm talking about you going to the app and maybe after negotiating the supplier and said, okay, give you Alipay scan code, pay here. Please be careful, don't pay. All right, it's very, very important. All right, another thing you should check out for is the real-time stock. All right, because they do give how many pieces left, how many pieces left. So all these messages will review if they are legit. All right, they'll review if they are legit. I don't want it to be too long. Now we'll be getting ready for episode 4. So if you've not subscribed at this point, and you're an importer, you're missing a lot. All right, at this point, if you've not hit the like button, you've not subscribed, then you are missing a lot as an importer. You need to follow up. All right, so because our episode 4 is going to be so powerful. Episode 4, I'll be exposing how you can start up with little or no capital at all and make huge profits. Someone dropped a message on a comment section and said one of my videos and said that I'm interested in importing, but I don't have the capital. And I told her that you can even import without capital, and she was shocked. So if you're the person and you're watching this right now, turn your notification bell so you don't miss the episode 4. Okay, I'll be telling you how you can start up, how you can import without capital. Yes, without capital, and you can also with small capital. And I'll be telling you some good and beautiful items that can do that for you, and you can still make huge profits. There is money in importation. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.